Welcome to our channel. As you see in my early video, I bought a lot of not working headsets, so this part will be the wired one. This is a Nintendo headset, which is quite nice. It's a Sonic one. It has better microphone for children. It is a tiny Sonic built-in, which is very cute. And after I tested, it's perfectly working the speaker, working the microphone, so it's everything fine and good. The next one is the Razer headset. Let's open the back and see what's going inside. But how's it looking? I don't think so. I can do a lot of things to refurbish nicely. That plastic headbands, muffs, I don't know how to call it, but it looks bad. The cable needs to be replaced, or maybe one of the speakers. So I will just take apart and check the speakers. Next is a Numark one. Quite nice one. It's lovely. But something not good. So maybe one of the speaker or the cable to the speaker. But when I moved the cable, I heard. So I think so just the main cable what is wrong, and as you can see, it's broken where it's connecting to the headset. And we will just fix in the minute. So after you take out the AirPods, it has 3 screws. You open it up and it's very simple if you fix it before. Headphones, earphones, it's very simple. They are all of them the same. So one cable, that one is one cable going to the speaker, which is connected to, to the main cable, to the jack cable, which is quite nice, because usually what they do, they just put a knock, do not come through the hole, but that one has a plastic which is stopping. That will be complicated to take out. So it's broken between that little area. So I will cut the cable, make it a little bit shorter, take out that plastic, which will be very hard, and after glue it back and pray to stay there nicely. So number 5 speaker is, I don't know the brand, but it's working, only just missing the microphone, which is deadjustable, but I think so I have something similar in stock from a broken headset, so I will try with that one. We have a Yamaha headset, which is broken, the headband part, I don't know how to call it, but you know, when you can adjust the size. It's not that easy to fix that one. You can't actually 3D pin because that one is all together in one, and there is the Yamaha side. So I thought, why not use some super glue and glue it back, but super glue is not holding that much strong. So what we usually using when we want a stronger permanent connection, super glue and bicarbonate of soda. So you just starting build a layer, some super glue, and after a bicarbonate of soda, you left it a little, take off the bicarbonate of soda, the left, after again super glue, and after that, and it make a very strong connection. It will take a time to make it smooth after the surface. After again I cut it a little bit, after try it again, and I did it both of the side to make it sure, but it's held it very nicely. It's a great idea if you have a broken one in a similar place to try this, if you don't find a replacement for parts for that one. Sony headset. It's a quite cheap model, but it's lovely to at home use if you want a cheaper but good quality. They are. What is the most common problem with this is the cable is broken. It's very simple to replace it if you not buy the cheap one. I tried the cheap one 2 times. I bought 10 cables, but unfortunately in from 10 is 8 was bad. One of them cable is not working and the other one was fine, so I bought a little bit expensive. I mean a little bit, I'll be talking about a £1 difference, but they are always was good. I never had the issues with them. So this white Sony has the problem. I thought first it's broken, but actually no, just the pin is missing, which is holding the speaker to the headbands. So I tried to find some metal which is fit in the hole, so I can push through and flat it out. What I actually find is what is perfectly fitting and give a flexible but a little bit strong too is a capacitor legs. I cut it down a little bit and it was perfect. It's worked. So the black ones, we need to replace the cable. You can check other videos too. It's very simple. You solder down the cables put on the new one. Don't forget to push first through the hole, make a knock, and after just screw it back, and that's it. Thank you for watching us. See you next time.